How you doing? I got a drink for you. Come on in. I don't know why I can't be serious to save my life. Listen, I created a drink I call Hey Punkin. Shout out to my friend who came up with that name. You know who you are, G. All right, real simple. Be quick to it. Brandy. I'm gonna do 2 ounces of brandy. Just like that. Creme de cacao. Okay, here you go. This is like a chocolate liqueur, but it's not creamy like a Godiva would be. All right, equal parts. And put 2 ounces of that in there as well. Okay, and here is what makes Hey Punkin. This is pumpkin pie cream liqueur. If you don't, shake it. If you're not able to find this, I haven't had any yet, I promise. You can always use a Bailey's, maybe they have pumpkin flavored Bailey's or something. That's kind of how I found this little pumpkin pie. I was looking for Bailey's and they didn't have it. And I was like, well, I'll just try this. And I got home, I got to mixing, y'all, and Hey Punkin was born. All right, now we're gonna throw some ice in there. Get my top on. Shake it up, baby. Shake it up, baby. And make swirls, 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 swirls. You don't have to serve it in a martini glass, but it just feels right to me. And that's that. And here we go. Oh, Hey Punkin. Ooh, she's a little full in the glass. I'm gonna have to drink her down. And I think this is always fun. A little fresh nutmeg. Just to make her pretty. Hey Punkin, how you doing? Happy Thanksgiving. This is a wonderful dessert cocktail or whatever. Happy Thanksgiving. Ooh. Hey Punkin. All right, y'all. These drink videos aren't long. They don't need to be. You got it. Go do it. See you next time. Happy mixing.